To create portfolio templates in Weebly, start by opening a web browser and navigating to Weebly.com. Click on the site to access the homepage. Then click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your email and password to gain access to your account and website. Once logged in, you can use portfolio templates by clicking on the Edit option, which will take you to a page with various options, including Views, Undo, Upgrade, Preview, and Publish. From here, you can customize your site's design, including the logo, colors, and fonts. You can also upgrade for additional features like badges and icon sets. If you're looking for more theme options, visit the Weebly Themes page, where you can browse featured themes for online stores, businesses, and portfolios. Browse through the available themes to find one that suits your needs and add it to your site. With these steps, you can create and customize your own portfolio template in Weebly.